What's going on, everybody? Slang Dutchman here, and today we're working on the Volvo. As you might have seen, we've taken the Volvo to a lot of events with all the stuff in the back, slept in it and everything. But I wanted to do a little mod because, as you can see, compared to the bumper, the exhaust is underneath the bumper and it's also on an angle down like that. Literally the downside of having a lot of shit in your car and driving over bumps is that, I hope you can see that, it has grabbed the exhaust once by backing up, so it pinched the exhaust pipe there, which is kind of a bit fucked. So I'm gonna see if I can fix that. I'm gonna remove this rear muffler, because this rear muffler, and that's the whole thing of it, this thing is not damping any sounds, it's just damping the pops and bangs, because it wants to pop and bang, but because this inner tube is perforated, it just eliminates every pressure wave that is created by the engine. So every good bang will be a wet fart. So this is going to be deleted. Gonna change it out for a nice piece of stainless steel tubing. So let's just unscrew that one, and if I'm lucky, this is roughly the same size. If I'm lucky, I can just undo the clamp, shove this one in there, and it's somewhat done. We just need to make a hanger so it's nice up and tucked, because this thing has hit the curb, like the under the lip on the underside here, and then it just presses in. So that's kind of the problem of this thing. So this is not gonna hit the curb as much. Also, it's gonna be hanging here, so it's gonna be safe. No more weird scrapes there. So let's get the right tools and start working. There we go. Oh. There we go. So, an old mid damper. I'm doing a terrible job filming the wrong way, but look how it's one of the old parts of the car. So this is the old one, and it has this extra bit of pipe on it. So I'm gonna cut like here and use this, make a slit in it, and use this as a socket to go around there. So I made this little sleeve. It's now just tacked together, but it's like the right diameter size. It just slips over this one, as you can see. So I'm just gonna fully weld this up, make it nice and somewhat working. And I have those two clamps, and I can just pinch it back together again. So this should now fit on here with a little bit of help, because yes, it's gonna be tight, but that was the whole idea of doing this. Looks promising. Nice. So I'm just gonna sand off the rest of the outside so it's nice and clean, give it some paint so it's like protective, and then slap it on the car and make some hangers. So socket is on, tight one side, slammed the pipe in there, and now as we can see, at least it clears the car, and it's gonna be tucked up like this. So, and then maybe chop off just a little bit and make it sort of a at an angle or something. Just this as a yes. So we need to put the other one on, tighten it, hang this up, and then make a bracket. And I think if I look at those hangers, which the light is not showing, there we go. If I see those hangers, I might just go, oh, there we go. Might just go with the strip from here to here, and then if I hang this and just weld it to there, it should be doable. So let's get the last clamp on. They don't look the best, but they function, and they're still thick. and not as rotted as everything that just came out of the thing, because this is like, fuck this. So, little brace welded on there. It's nice and sturdy, it's not going anywhere. But now it needs a little bit of heat protective paint. So it looks better than just the shelving, what is it, structure things. I don't even know what to call it. I know what it is, but hey, it's not stupid if it works, right? This should go in here. Oh well. And then here are the hangers that are now dark, so you can see anything. This one should go in there, and the other one there. That should hang it up just about right, because then it's gonna sit like there. Like, how flush is that to the body? That's perfect. That side is in. Now this one, battery of the camera can die any minute, so if the clip stops, that's where the battery ends. And it's on there. This is tight as fuck though, it's not going anywhere. Perfect. Now all we need to do is cut a little bit off, because let's be honest, it's cool, but you know, laws. Police are gonna hate it. So let's take the angle grinder out one more time, and then what? Stick it out a little bit off the bumper, and then a straight cut or an angle. I don't know yet. I made it straight, so I can always make it a point or whatever I want, but let's just see. In comparison to how it was, look how much higher up it now is. Instead of just hanging, sagging down, looking down to the ground. It's nice and up, nice and sturdy. Does not sound any different, like I said. So let's wait till it's nighttime. Maybe put the camera on the back, aiming down, and then drive around and make it pop and bang. Let's just see in the next clip. So after that, I would say it's a good success, great success, because flames until somewhat here. So secretly a little bit proud of that. But I got a new set of wheels packed in to get widened, to get banded. So you know what's the best thing about carrying trees in the car, like pine trees? There's a smell in the car no air freshener can come even close to. It's just it's like a forest in here. It's great. Don't forget to join the Discord, which is just a very fun community where we share all car info, knowledge, humor, whatever, play sessions, hang out. Every Sunday we go drifting online. It has a bunch of these mods like sneak previews and other stuff. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.